We are chatting all about ADHD friendly, I'm not calling them productivity, they're like systems to make your brain work to its fullest. These systems are things that I have found to be super beneficial, and I am sharing them with you so that you can try them at home. I've talked about this extensively, and it is called a brain dump. So a brain dump is where you just set your timer and you just like write everything you're thinking in your brain. And the reason why is because it just gets it from like this jumbled mess in our brains onto paper, and so then we can take the time to then process it. I am a big fan of writing it down, paper, pencil. I have super fun pens and like all different colors. I'll like just start writing in like different colors or like switch through pens if like I'm struggling with getting started on the process of brain dumping. Number two is a visual timer. I've heard so many people like recommend this, and sometimes it doesn't work for everyone. Like, I will be totally honest. We have the cube that kind of like sets the time, and then it just kind of goes on the bottom of the little timer thing. We have like the actual old school visual timer like I had when I was teaching, and sand timer. Those ones I like as well, just because it is kind of like that fun visual. And if like you're waiting, watching the sand fall from like the top to the bottom can be like super satisfying for your brain. Like, just number three is like landing zones or drop zones. I kind of use them interchangeably. The biggest thing is like a drop zone for when you come in. Having a laundry basket to collect your shoes, work bag, all of your bigger essential items, just like right by the door. It's the one spot everything goes. That way in the morning, you have everything you need all ready together, corralled. My fourth system is a bedtime and morning time routine. I have my checklists that we use religiously. I have those ADHD planner checklists all over our entire house. We have morning routine, we have bedtime routine, we have weekday routine, all of those things, so that it becomes a habit. If like my executive skills are kind of like rocky that day, I have a guide for me. Like, to me, that's the point of these routines and these checklists. It also helps the kids remember all of the things that they have to do before bedtime. These are the things that we do in our house just to kind of like help our executive skills function. Setting up these systems and these strategies to help, we're focusing on setting ourselves up for success every single day, even if it's like a bare minimum day.